Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Soilfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. This is part one of my lessons on a song called Love Is The Answer from Dan Seals, and it's his solo acoustic version. Some people call it the demo version, whatever. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning and no capos, doing it in the same key as I recorded this song in with the acoustic version. Okay, so not the easiest song to play. There are lots of chords in it. Some of them are bar chords and some of them are maybe chords you've not played before. Okay, so we're going to go through it slowly because this intro is actually played during the bridge section as well, but you sing over the bridge section, so it's used twice in the song. Okay, so let's get to it. So starting off with this. Okay, first chord is an F sharp minor 7, so I'm barring the first 5 strings on the 9th fret. Okay, second finger is playing the 10th fret of the 2nd string, and my third finger is playing the 11th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and you just do a single strum from 5 down to the top E string. Okay, a nice definite sort of arpeggiated strum. Then 2 single notes, top E string, 7th fret, top E string, 5th fret. So you go. Okay. Then we play a D major 7th, which is this. Right, so again I'm doing a 5-string bar on the 5th fret with the first finger, top 5 strings, not playing the bottom E string. Okay. Second finger is playing the 6th fret of the 3rd string, the G string. Third finger is playing the 7th fret of the 4th string, the D string, and pinky is playing the 7th fret of the 2nd string, the B string. 5 downwards should sound like this. It's another single arpeggiated strum. Okay, so you've got. Alright. Then we do another couple of notes on the top E string, the 4th fret to the 2nd fret. Okay, so now you've got. Okay, then we play a B minor 7, same shape as the F sharp minor 7th that you started off with, but on the 2nd fret, barring the first 5 strings, 2nd fret, 3rd fret of the 2nd string with the 2nd finger, and 4th fret of the 4th string with your 3rd finger, 5 downwards, another arpeggiated strum. So now you've got this. Okay, then we've got a couple of more single notes, and this time it's on the 2nd string, the B string, the 5th fret to the 3rd fret. So now we've got this. Okay, this is when it gets interesting. We've got this chord. Alright, it's a basic, I'm going to call it C with B flat in the bass, or C over B flat. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm barring the 5th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my first finger. Okay, then the 2nd finger goes up and presses down on the 6th fret, or frets the 6th fret of the bottom E string. Now that, you'll find that the back end of this, backside of this 2nd finger will rest on the 5th string and mute it, which is good. So you don't hear this 5th string ringing out when you strum. So that, well, then you do this, you strum down from 6 down to 2 to the B string. Okay, and that A string should be muted. Okay, So 5 down, sorry, 6 down to 2. Okay. So now we've got this. Okay, got that. Then what you do is you add to this C with B flat in the bass. You add your third finger to the 6th fret of the 2nd string. So this makes like a C sus4. C sus4 with B flat in the bass. Okay. So now what you do is when you come to this you play that C with B flat in the bass, then you add your pinky, third finger to the 6th fret of the 2nd string, do another strum, and then take it off and play the C with B flat in the bass again. So now you've got this. Then we go down, move the bar on with the first finger down a fret to the 4th fret of the 4th string, 3rd string and 2nd string. Okay, and leave the A string open. The 5th string is now open. Okay, and what we're doing now is we're playing. Add your 3rd finger or 2nd finger to the 5th fret of the 2nd string. So now you've got a B sus4 with the A in the bass. 5 down to 2. Okay? So now you've got this. Okay, got that far? Slowly. Okay, so here we go. Alright, here we go. Okay, and then what you do is you take off that 2nd finger or 3rd finger, you just leave the B with A in the bass, and you play like 2 strums. So you've got that. And then follow that with a sort of arpeggiated 5 down to 2. Like that. So you go. Okay, got that. So now you've got this. Okay, do that really slowly. Okay, then we do this. We go down to an A chord. So again, keeping that bar, just move it down to the 2nd fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, leave the A string open, so another 5 down to 2, and take it up to the B with A in the bass, so it's 5 down to 2 again. Okay, so now you've got this. So that's fairly quick. That's a da 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 da. And then we go back to this C with B flat in the bass again, right? And it's another one of those. So you play that C with B flat in the bass, add that third finger to the 6th fret of the 2nd string like you did before to make C sus4 with B flat in the bass, and then take it off. So you got that. Okay, so now we've got this slowly. Okay, once again, very slowly. Okay. Okay, so as far as we got. Then we just go to the B minor 7th, which we played earlier, 2nd fret, bar chord. Okay, so now you've got and then we do quite a quick change. It's like so we do that. All you do from the B minor 7th is to go up 2 frets to a C sharp minor 7th. Exactly the same shape, but you start on the 4th fret, first 5 strings barred, 5th fret of the 2nd string with the 2nd finger, and 3rd finger is playing the 6th fret of the 4th string. So now from that, but that goes as far as we got. So that's C sharp minor 7. Then you play a D chord. So it goes. Again, I'm barring the first 5 strings of the 5th fret, and then I'm using my 3rd finger to bar the 7th fret of the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings. I'm going 5 down to 2. So you got that. So once again, all the way from the beginning. So to do is probably, I find this probably, the more practice you do it, the better. So this is repetitive, but it's the only way, I think. Okay, that's as far as we got. So C sharp minor to D there. And then just to finish it off, you do a G chord. You can play it as an F shape, like I'm doing. Just a simple F shape on the 3rd fret. And then just a single one. And then go up to an A chord, an F shape on the 5th fret. 2 strokes on that one. So you've got that. Where it goes and then you can either finish it off with just like a D shape. So an A chord plays as a D shape, top 3 strings, 9th fret of the 3rd, 9th fret of the top E, and 10th fret of the 2nd, and just play those 3 strings. So you got, or you can do what I did on my demo and do that, which is a slide from the 7th fret of the 3rd to the 9th fret on the 3rd, and then you finish it off with the 9th fret on the top E. So okay, and that's the intro. Okay, so once again, let's go through the whole thing very slowly. Or just play that chord. Yeah. Whichever you like best. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. The intro, what can I say, is played as the bridge section in the middle of the song, and you sing over playing that. it's not hard enough to play it, you've got to sing over it as well. Okay, so again, I'll just go through it again just for more practice. Okay, so here we go. F sharp minor 7. And there you go, boys and girls, hopefully. So that's the way I played it in the demo, and that's the way it sounds to me. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed that, and we'll be back for part 2, which is the rest of the song, the verse, chorus and the refrain. Okay, see you soon. Bye for now.